Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to turn off mentions in Threads app, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off or disallow the mentions in Threads app, first open up your Threads app on your phone, as I have already opened it. And after opening your Threads app, guys, you land on this interface, which is the home interface of Threads. And on this interface, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there's a person or a profile icon available for us. Tap on the person or profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you land over here, which is the profile interface of your Threads account. And on this interface, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there's a two-lined icon available for us just beside the camera icon. Tap on the two-lined icons at the top right corner of the screen, and you land on this interface where you can see the privacy option available for us over here just below the archive or above the accessibility. Tap on privacy, and you can find the mentions option available for us over here, which is the second one just below the private profile. Tap on mentions over here. And now, in order to turn off mentions in Threads or disallow the mentions in Threads, you can see currently everyone can mention you on Threads. If you tap on the profiles you follow, only the profiles you follow will be able to mention you. But if you tap on no one will be able to mention you in Threads, and the mentions will be turned off or disallowed. And that being said, guys, this is how to turn off mentions in Threads. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.